Hi friends, today I would like to explain about how to install WordPress on a shared server. So currently I'm on WordPress.org website to download the WordPress. So the latest version is WordPress 6.1.1. So we just need to download this WordPress copy, and after downloading the WordPress copy, just we need to go to our server, and we need to create the database and the uh, user that you want. After that, very important step is we need to give a permissions on the database for a particular user. So this is very important step, but most of the people, they'll create user database and user, but they will not link that user to the database, then it won't work. So mostly this is a missing step. So we need to give all privileges for now. Later we can remove the privileges which are not required. Okay, so already I downloaded the WordPress also. I have created one subdomain here. In the next video, I'll try to explain how to create a subdomain and so. So let me uh, upload the downloaded WordPress. So here already in the downloads, there you can find WordPress. In our WordPress, you can find a zip file. Just we need to upload the zip file. So let's wait until it is uploaded to the server. Okay, almost done. Yeah, it's done. So go back to the file manager. Yeah, extract the uploaded file. It will extract to the same directory. You can see all the files were extracted, and refresh. You can see all the files. Okay, so the database details are ready here, and upload files also ready. Files are ready on the server. So now another subdomain that I have created. This is the subdomain I have created. Just wait a second. Yeah. So you can choose the language that you want to install, but most of the times, because of the WordPress is available for international users, so you can try to install and select the language that you want. Okay, so very default one, English United States. So I'll select this one and click on continue. And make sure that you have a database and password, host name, and table prefix and everything. So click on let's go. So already here we have the details. This is the username. Mostly the username and password will be username, and database name will be the same. So I'll give the copied database name and username also, and password. And we don't need to enter anything for localhost, and prefix should be WP, or if you want to change, you can change it. Okay, so if all the given information is right, then we can see all right, Sparky. If not, then it will ask us if you enter any wrong details. So click on run the installation. Okay, so yeah, now the installation is in progress. Now we need to enter site name like SR Hospitals, and the username should be God's Grace Tech, and password should be okay. You can set up the password that you want. Okay, so install WordPress. So yeah, success. WordPress has installed. Now we can click on login. Yes. So installation is done successfully. So you can see this is the admin dashboard. Okay, so here you can install the plugins that you want, and if you want to install any themes, if you want to create any pages, or if you want to upload media, and if you want to create any posts, and these are the tools already there in a WordPress website. Okay, so these are the list of users. So this is the default WordPress website admin dashboard. Okay, so if you want to check the default website, then simply you can log out and go to the home directory, and this is the just empty what we call it, it's empty template or empty theme. So because of we didn't install any theme, or we didn't activate any theme yet, so once we install the theme, then we can see the look and feel and everything. So in the next video I'll try to explain you how to install a theme and activate. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions, please comment so that I can answer all of your questions. If I'm missing anything in this video to share, please let me know so that I can uh, add the missing part also to this video again. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment your feedback. Thank you so much.